I'd be very scared if I supported any other team but Liverpool this season. I swear. Shit's about to hit the fan. Isak, Ekitike, Word, Salah, Soboslai, Gravenberg, Kirkies, Konate, Van Dijk, Frimpong, Ellison. Not to mention McAllister, Bradley, Robertson, Indo. Bro. Champions League, ours. Premier League, ours. FA Cup, ours. Carabao Cup, ours. I feel very much sorry for United, for City, Arsenal. Where's the bullets at Arsenal? How do you have a name Arsenal but you don't have any ammo? What? Yo, we go. Let's go, guys. LFC till I die.